Hello and welcome back to Glastonbury Designs and Hobbies. For this video we're going to be closing out an overall fun build. A build we did a lot of new things with to include a full storyline, which you're aware of if you followed along. I've also decided to do this closeout and my final thoughts through a slideshow. I hope you enjoy this video. Here we're going to take a look at the interior a little bit, as well as the assembly of Dragon Blanchard, because this model came with a driver. This is also the first time we've used the airbrush that I bought from Gallery. We used it for the primer and the blue color on the car, and it's also the first time in a long time that I've put any decals on vehicles. Overall, I enjoyed that process. I was able to use my creativity, use some of the decals that came in the vehicle as well as others that I had laying around. We decided to put Dragon's name on the car, and we added in there his original and best sponsor, Best Orchards, where Dragon was employed. We added a little bit extra to the roll bar as we went along to give Dragon a little bit more safety. And there he is, testing the seat. So at this point, the car has been stickered and mostly put together. I did end up going with, I believe, the third choice for the front grille or nose clip, because I did have some people get back to me, and that was the one that we selected. Also with this car, I decided to start something with my models called Force Perspective. I built a little platform that looks like a driveway, and decided to try my hand at taking some photos close up, really down low of the vehicle, in order to try to get a perspective of realness that I don't think you would otherwise get. Really enjoyed this process of the photographing, and it did, I think, produce a realness in this vehicle or this build that I wouldn't have otherwise been able to do. And that right there is probably going to be my favorite photo that I was able to take of this vehicle. Thank you for following along. I appreciate all the subscribers. Please give the video a thumbs up, drop me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you again in future builds. And until we do see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed. Thank you for watching.